Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. We're going to do a true upcycle today.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
And when I say a true upcycle, I mean, we're going to take this tattered thing and make it pretty, make it something. We're going to make it something. I don't know how many of you are on Instagram and you follow different creators. I follow like a bunch of people I think are super duper creative. And the project that I'm going to do today is just ripping off the purple pincushion. She's incredible. I'm sorry I'm ripping off your idea. I love her work. She's at Junk Bonanza. I don't know if she's going to be there this spring, but I met her at Junk Bonanza and her work is incredible. And she takes old vintage linens that have things like embroidery and things like that on them and upcycles them into other projects. And one of the projects that she does is these covered buttons. And we're going to do a covered button. So I got this a long time ago. You can see it's like dirty, dusty. And it was 50 cents. And I've never needed them. So we're using them today on a project similar to what the purple pincushion does. Please go to Instagram. I am not affiliated with her. I am not at all like getting paid to say this. Go follow her on Instagram because her designs are so incredibly beautiful. You'll probably find something you want to buy. Like she makes little pillows and she makes the covered buttons and a bunch of other stuff that's just, oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. She's purchased linens from me when I was at Junk Bonanza, and that's when we got started talking. And I just want to try it, but I want to take it a little step further. So we're going to do the covered button with, I don't even know if I can do a covered button. I have never done a covered button. I have no idea what I'm doing. I could mess this up. Stick around. We're going to find out. But we're going to take it one step further and make it into something a little different from what she's doing. So it's more of an inspiration than a direct ripoff. Okay? We're being inspired by the purple pincushion today. So like I said, I have this little dresser scarf that somebody's grandma took a lot of time to make this, but look, it's moth eaten, and then around the edges, like, where was it? It's ripped off there. It's kind of ripped off there. So this is, and it's got rust stains on it. So it's not in pristine condition by any stretch of the imagination. I don't know where I got it. It was probably in a box, a lot of stuff. And I thought, oh, I'll sell it to the purple pincushion. And then it never went back to Junk Bonanza. So here we are. And I can't hold on to it forever. So we got to either do something with it or move it on, you know? And I don't know who would take it at this point because I don't know when I'm going to see her again, right? So we're going to follow the instructions on the package. They're lovely and clear. They're not clear though, because it says cut fabric twice as large as the button holder. Do they have a pattern on here or on the inside that is the diameter that I need? No. Why not? Why did they not print the back of this package with the size I would need to cut the fabric? Would that not make this easier? I need to be on design teams all over the world because that would make this so much easier. Like, right? If I pulled the back off this and there was a template for the fabric size, yeah, that would make it so much easier, right? They don't do that. So now I have to decide what twice the size of this button is. Y'all, put me on the design team. I'll call you stupid to your face. So here is the button. We need twice this size. Look, you can see yourself. So twice that size. First of all, circles are so hard to cut. What is twice that size? I don't know. And then, whoa, what is this? And then there's this, which this goes in there, right? And then these are the backs of the button. What's the front of the back? Like, which way does it go in? It's so not clear. Okay, so it says E. Let me just show it like that. But there's this side, which has a divot in it, and this side, which sticks out. So which side is the side that goes down and which side is the side that goes up? I would think that if I could read the letters that are on it, that's the up side. Yeah? Okay. I'm going to read these in real time to you. Let's take these off. Oh, no. We're not going to take Oh, no, no, no. We're just going to have to get better bifocals. Okay, there we go. Use waxed button thread to tuft pillows and cushions. See interior expressions. Okay, I don't care. Cut fabric twice the circle of the diameter of the button. Place fabric right side down over a mold. Hold fabric firmly and press button shell into mold with blue pusher. Okay, that's what that is, a blue pusher. Tuck fabric into button and hook into teeth. Place back plate with imprint facing you. Haha, see? I was right. If you can read it, that's the top. Over the shank and then press down firmly with the pusher. Remove button by pressing the bottom of the mold. All right, there we go. Again, a template would have been nice, like right there, right? This is twice the diameter of the button. It would cost them nothing. They got stripes on here anyway. They could have just put a circle on there. All would be right with my world if there was a template and everything. You just need to cut it twice this size. Okay, what is twice this size? I don't know. All right, so we want to keep as much of these flowers as possible. So twice that size would be out to about here, right? So then if I cut like above the leaves and around here, that should work, right? No, this isn't terrifying at all, Stacy. Just cut this down to size here. Do I feel bad about this? No, because nobody was going to buy this. All the threads are pulling out. It's in terrible condition. It's got moth holes in it. It's got rust on it. We just got to make it into something else. I feel like if I do a square around it, if the person that owns the purple pin cushion, I can't remember her name off the top of my head, is watching, she's probably like laughing hysterically and going, "That's terrible. You're doing it wrong." I probably so I'm doing it wrong. She's a master and she's probably like got a process. That's why this is in there, Stacy. That's too much fabric. I feel like that's too much fabric. That's way too much freaking fabric. What are they talking about? Twice the size. Good God. Nuh-uh. Oh. Twice the size. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh, 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 nuh-uh. Mm-mm. I'm not a sewer, and I don't know how to use these things. This is crazy to me. Okay. She does this on hundreds of them? Girl, you are worth every penny. Every penny. I did buy from the purple pin cushion. It was a little pillow that I have. But she does incredible things with these fabrics. I love these upcycles. That's better. Better. All right. So, if I can read it, that's the top. Yeah. Use a hammer for this? Am I supposed to use a hammer? I have one. Feel like I should. Nope, that's terrible. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I think there's way too much fabric in here. We're going to do it again. But this is not like... Did I do it? Well. Ha! All right, I did it. Not very well. It's sticking up here. We're going to have to decoupage that down. I got fabric decoupage. We're just going to fabric that down. Because I'm going to take this and make something else with it. Because I've also been sitting on these pin backs forever. Steel pin backs. They were $1. And I want to make a pin from the beautiful embroidery piece here. We're going to have to glue it first, but let me see if I can figure this out. Like attach that pin back to the top of the pin. Like that. And then it can be, you know what? It could just be glued in place. First things first, let's deal with this. I have Martha's fabric glue. Let me find that. I lied. I have Mod Podge fabric glue. Oh, I forgot the smell. Oof. So I cut a little piece of the trim that somebody crocheted, and I'm going to hot glue it around this piece so that it gives it like a little halo. And I went ahead and took the fabric glue and I sealed off the edges where I cut so that it doesn't unravel. And then we're going to use this to go around the piece like that. Well, we're going to have to hot glue it because it doesn't really want to go around the piece. Like I'm going to have to give it a like that. So it's going to look like it's in a little blue nest. I think that's where I'm going to start, is over here. Oh, wow. I'm just wrapping the fabric around to kind of finish it off here. All right, let's let that dry. Now I have glue all over my hands. I'll trim all this off. I'll be right back. There's a reason why I do furniture. But this was a project I wanted to try for a really long time. And this is my button. It's cute. Cool little button. I'm going to actually wear my little button. I think he's adorable. But I would definitely probably pay the purple pincushion because she does an amazing job. If you're going to try this yourself, don't use French knots. Don't use a picture or a linen that has French knots on it. I don't hate it, but it's still, you know, it's not the cutest thing in the world, but it's mine. I tried it. I wanted to try it. Sometimes you got to try the things that you want to try, but there's a reason why the purple pincushion does such a beautiful job on her stuff. Just buy them from her. She does better work than, that was a lot. My thumb hurts, and I had to employ a hammer to get, this is not an easy project at all. So worth every penny to pay her for her buttons. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.